after sunset, as berries keep caveman awake for many hours. Caveman also sleep same time every night, wake same time every morning, even on rest days. And when cavemen wake, cavemen see sun immediately, to tell body morning has come. Kill belly beast. Most cavemen think fat just stored energy. Wrong. Fat is active.
You've probably seen those caveman-style motivational videos, and honestly, they're insanely powerful. One channel uploaded only 9 videos and already gained around 11.4K subscribers. Just imagine that. The first video hit 875K views, the second got 18K, the third 21K, the fourth 8.7K, the fifth 4.7K, and the latest around 2.5K views. That kind of growth with so few uploads is not normal. It means the content is working. Now let's talk about why it works. The core idea behind these videos is simple but very strong. When you feel stuck in life, don't show weakness. Instead, find a way out. Push yourself, stay disciplined, work hard, and you will eventually succeed. That's the emotional hook. It connects deeply, especially with people interested in self-improvement, masculinity, and fitness. And speaking of fitness, this niche is extremely powerful. In my opinion, it's one of the best niches right now. It has high engagement, strong audience loyalty, and great earning potential. So today, I'm going to show you how to create these types of videos using a completely free AI tool. I'll guide you step by step, how to generate images, how to structure your video, everything. So make sure you don't skip any part. First, I've already prepared a complete master prompt for you. You'll find the link in the description. This master prompt includes everything: voiceover style, video format, image prompts, video prompts, and voiceovers for each scene. There are a total of 10 scenes with proper story flow, plus all the rules you need, video prompt rules, voiceover rules. Everything is already done for you. All you need to do is open the link, copy the master prompt, then go to ChatGPT. Paste the full prompt and click on Generate. Once you do that, ChatGPT will automatically create everything for you. Image prompts, video prompts, and voiceovers for each scene, one by one. Now your 10 scenes are completely ready. Next step, generating the visuals. The tool we're going to use today is called Google Veo. I'll provide the link in the description. Simply open it, click on Sign In, and log in using your Google account. Make sure you use a proper Gmail account. After logging in, you'll see different prompt options. From there, select Google Veo 3.1. Once selected, you can start using your generated prompts to create high-quality visuals for your video. That's it. Simple, powerful, and completely free. As you can see, the moment you click, you'll notice the option Generate High-Quality Videos with Veo 3.1. That means today, we're going to create fully cinematic videos using Google Veo 3.1. Here, you get 2 main options. One is Create from Scratch, and the other is Animate an Image. With the Image to Video option, you can generate videos from images. But for that, you first need images. On the other hand, using Create from Scratch, you can generate videos directly from text, which is exactly what we'll be using today. Now, let me quickly show you how to generate images as well. On the left side, you'll see an image option. Simply click on it. Google's Nano model will automatically generate images for you. You don't need to select any model manually. Just paste your prompt into the prompt box. After pasting, set the aspect ratio to 9:16. For demonstration, I'll paste a prompt and click on Generate. As soon as I click Generate, the process starts, and within a few moments, your first image will be ready. Now you can see, the first image is generated. It looks highly professional, super amazing, and very powerful. In my opinion, this is one of the best outputs you can get right now. You can generate all your images this way and even convert them into videos. However, today we are focusing on text to video. So I'll go back, select Veo 3, and click on Create from Scratch. Then I go to ChatGPT, copy the image prompt, video prompt, and voiceover together. Come back to Google Veo, paste everything, and click Generate. As soon as I click Generate, the first video starts generating. Within a short time, the video will be ready, and then we'll preview it. Currently, Google Veo AI is free, and you can generate multiple videos. Roughly, you can create around 14-15 videos per Gmail account. And after a short break, you can continue generating more. You can see It only takes around 40 to 50 seconds to generate a high-quality, powerful video. Now the video is ready. Let's preview it. As you can see, the first video is generated. It looks super amazing and very powerful. If we analyze it, you'll notice how the caveman is performing actions, how the voiceover aligns, and how smooth the zoom in, zoom out, and animations are. Everything looks perfectly synced. Now, simply click on the Insert option, and the video will automatically be added to your timeline. Next, repeat the same process. Go back to ChatGPT, copy scene 2, return to Google Veo, and paste it. Now, this is very important. Pay close attention. If you do not include the consistent character prompt in every scene, your video style will not remain consistent. For example, without the consistent character prompt, the AI might generate a realistic video instead of a 2D style. So the solution is simple. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the consistent character description from scene 1, then come back to Google Veo and paste it at the beginning of your prompt. After that, click Generate. Now your next video will also be ready, and it will look consistent, powerful, and visually aligned with the previous scene. Insert it into the timeline. Repeat the same process for scene 3, scene 4, scene 5, scene 6, scene 7, scene 8, scene 9, and scene 10. Generate each scene one by one. Preview them and insert them into the timeline. As you continue, your full video will automatically start forming. For example, you can see here, a 40-second long video is already created. Now, to make it more professional, we will add transitions. Simply click on the Add Transition option. Choose the Dissolve transition and apply it at the end of each clip. Add it one by one across all scenes. Once everything is ready, go to Files, click on Download, select MP4 format, and download your final video. And that's it. Your complete video is ready without using any external editor. You've just created a full cinematic 40-second video entirely with AI. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.